In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from iPhone to computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which PC or laptop you have, you will be able to salvage the data from a broken iPhone and transfer it to a PC or laptop and consequently any other future device that you have, Android smartphone, another iPhone, and so on. To get this transfer done, it is going to depend on what you had available before your iPhone broke down. So it's all going to depend if you either had iCloud set up or if you previously connected the iPhone to the PC or laptop. If you have previously connected the iPhone to the PC or laptop while you will be doing this transfer, or if you can still sort of use the touchscreen on the broken iPhone, then what you can do is plug a USB cable into the iPhone and then the other end into the PC or laptop. By doing this, you will access all of the data on the iPhone. However, the important thing is that you must give it permissions to access the data. So on the iPhone screen, there will be a trust prompt that appears when you first make this connection to a new unknown device. If you previously gave permissions for the data to be accessed, then you are good to go. You can go into File Explorer and the iPhone data will be available here. But if this is the first time that you connected it to a PC or laptop, you will see the prompt and you will have to allow. Now, if your iPhone is severely broken and you cannot accept the trust prompt because the screen is unusable, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. You need to find a way to give it permissions and allow the data to be accessed. So if this is completely out of the table because you cannot access the touchscreen, I would recommend checking to see if you had an iCloud backup ready. You can still access all of your iCloud data even on a PC or laptop, so it doesn't have to be done on an Apple device. So all that you have to do is go to iCloud.com. When you access this page on a web browser or even another smartphone, you will be able to sign in using your Apple account. So go to iCloud.com and after signing into your account, all of the data will be available. Again, this is going to depend on whether or not you had a backup of all of your data beforehand, but most people should have an iCloud backup because it is always done automatically on the background and usually you are prompted to enable iCloud as soon as you create an Apple account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from broken iPhone to computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.